Hello radiographers, welcome to a new tutorial video and it's about MRI of orbit planning. So right now I am planning for the T2 transverse fat set for orbit. For transverse orbit planning, use the sagittal and coronal image. Plan the positioning block over the sagittal image over the orbit and angle the slices so that the slices are parallel to the optic nerve. And by changing the image, check the position of the slice over the orbit, and also on the coronal image the slices should be parallel to the orbital floor on the both side. And for the rest of the transverse protocols, copy the slice and saturation and then apply. Now a coronal protocol open and I am planning over the sagittal and transverse image. So I scanned the brain protocols first, and then on the brain sequences you can see that orbit is visible, and planning for the coronal. And the coronal slices should be covered from the anterior part of the orbit at the front and optic tract at the behind. And now I am planning for the sagittal. You can see that for sagittal I have to plan separately for the right and left orbit. So now I am planning for the right orbit over the axial image, and the field of view should be small. Here is field of view is 140 millimeter. So on the axial image, plan the positioning block over the right orbit, and the slices should be parallel to the optic nerve and cover the whole orbit from right to left, and the rectus muscle should be covered by the slice. You can see that the angulation of the sagittal plan for right orbit on the axial image, and on the coronal image the slice should be perpendicular to the orbit, and make sure that the field of view is large enough, and also use the phase encoding direction so that the overlapping artifact doesn't appear. And now I am planning for the left orbit. So drag the positioning block over the left orbit and angle the slice parallel to the left optic nerve. And also check over the sagittal image that I have taken for the brain, that the field of view covers the whole orbit. So the field of view should cover from the anterior part of the orbit at the front, and uh, at the behind optic chiasma should be covered. So this is the planning for the left orbit sagittal. And also check over the coronal image that the whole orbit including the rectus muscles are covered by the slices. And this is a transverse image, a 3D transverse image that I am planning over the sagittal image. And this is actually a T1 Vibe FatSet 3D. For the post-contrast coronal images, I am just copying the slice and saturation from the previous coronal plan, and now the sagittal plan that I am copying for that post-contrast T on sagittal fat shape. So there is two oblique sagittal plan for right and left orbit. Now I have to plan for the T1 coronal fat shape post contrast and copy the plan from the previous T1 coronal, slice and saturation copied, and then click apply. So that was the planning for orbit. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share this video and follow my Facebook page and also subscribe my YouTube channel.